Ennis. And but most of all, and a big tear, I missed the potty that goes under the bed. And you know what she wrote back to him? She said, Johnny, you missed it when you were here too. You destroyed the carpet. Oh, wasn't the devils. You couldn't watch them. You couldn't mind them. And there was this couple relocated from Dublin down to Ennis. And things were very hard. The old Celtic tiger got the tail cut off him and he was gone. And Virginia, anyway, she said, we'll starve for the Christmas if you don't do something, if you're getting the pension yourself. He said, sure, how can I get the pension? I'm not pension age. But she said to the one you didn't go to social welfare and tell them a pack of lies like you told me all your life. Go in today. So he went into the social welfare and he said, I'm looking to get the pension. Have you identification or birth cert? No, I was an orphan, I don't know who my father or mother was. I have no identification. She said, we couldn't give it to you, but if you go to the doctor and get a letter stating you're 67 or 8, we'll give you the pension. And she rang up and made an appointment with the doctor for her. She came home to Mary and he said, I've good news and bad news. I didn't get the pension, but if I get a letter from the doctor stating I'm 66 or 70, I get the pension. And I have an appointment with him in an hour. He came home from the doctor and he said, cheers, I got a letter from the doctor stating I'm 71. And how did he come to that conclusion? She said, he opened all the buttons in my shirt, looked at the hairs on my chest and said, with the wear and tear, I'm about 71. Well, she said, to the hard pity, he didn't open a few buttons down lower and then I got a disability pension as well. Oh, Jed, you couldn't watch them. And I suppose...
Wait!
You give them a bit of feeling. Let's wrap it, let's see the music there behind you. Jed, Mary, you're dead, mate. I never saw you move like that. Me again.
That was an accident.
Some road, a bit in the middle, so you can creep either side the white line, no damage. What do you want to do?
On three. Ah, you see? Look at him now. I'm smiling now, am I?
She's full of herself, like. Isn't she full of herself? was Indy Kinney that invented this brush, do you know that? During the hard times. It's a recession brush, and it's owned by the council. Sure, you could sweep either side the white line and you take off none of the paint, if you know what I mean. And you could use it for an armrest as well. But anyway, to think of Indy Kinney, this Yank came to Ireland, and he came to Ballydehob in Cork, and he met the cockman, and he said, "Good morning, good sir. How are you doing, boy?" Said the cockman. He said, "I'm here on vacation," he said. "Do you ever go on vacation?" "So I don't have to," said the cockman. "Haven't I from here, and that's why you're here, right?" He said. And he said, "Do you know anything about the United States of America?" "I don't," he said, "but I know you have quite a few of them, 45 or 51 or 2. Some of them you shouldn't have, like, but you have them." He said, "And you know anything about the dignitaries of the United States?" "No." He said, "And what kind of a state have you in Ireland?" "Well, one," he said. "The same state I was in last night, this morning, and next week as well," he said. "But you know anything about the dignitaries? Have you heard of Barack Obama?" he said. "No," he said. "Would that be the tanned lad?" he said. "Looked like he was in the bog all his life," he said. And he said, "Have you heard of Bob Hope?" "No." "Have you heard of Johnny Cash?" "I walk the line." "No." And he said, "Who have you in Ireland?" "Who have Indy Kinney? Who have no hope? Or who have no cash either," he said.